Hello everyone. In this video we are going to be checking out the 5 best DSLR camera. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research of the markets. I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, check out the links in the description below and sure subscribe to our channel for future review videos. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3500DX format DSLR feels outstanding in your hands, sturdy, and balanced with controls where you want them. It works seamlessly with compatible smartphones, making it easier than ever to share your great photos. Even if you've never picked up a DSLR camera, you can take beautiful pictures with D3500. The DSLR is fast, responsive, and simple to use. You won't be stuck fussing with camera controls while a great moment passes you by. It's lightweight and balanced, even with a telephoto lens attached. The D3500 simply great and small enough to be discreet, durable enough to withstand rough conditions. The camera is also available with 2 outstanding travel lenses. It captures up to 5 frames per second at full resolution with tack-sharp focus. The image sensor in the D3500 is approximately 15 times larger than those used in typical smartphones. Recording beautiful videos with this camera are as easy as shooting photos. You can capture awesome 1080/60p Full HD video instantly and effortlessly. The D3500 lens kit includes 2 matched lenses to help you cover all the angles. The AF-PDX Nikkor 70-300mm f/4.5 to 6.3 g/ed is a versatile telephoto zoom lens that's great for sports, concerts, nature, and more. Number 4. Canon EOS 6D Mark II. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II digital SLR camera combines a 26.2-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor with an excellent DIGIC7 image processor and an ISO range of 100-40000 to deliver photos and videos of incredible quality. It has a wide area, 45-point all-cross Type AF system. The camera is lightweight and durable, remaining capable in a variety of scenarios. Built-in Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth capability means remote shooting, easy image transfer and more. This Canon EOS 6D Mark II camera puts full-frame performance into a compact, fully featured DSLR. With amazing image quality, fast and accurate autofocus and the versatility desired for numerous environments, the EOS 6D Mark II offers creative content makers a camera that's as fun as it is powerful. The rounded contours and efficient button layout make the 6D II a great camera to use. Especially given its price point, the 6D Mark II has a lot to offer. For multimedia creation, the 6D Mark II comes equipped with powerful Full HD video recording options. Number 3. Nikon D7500DX. The Nikon D7500DX digital SLR camera delivers the game-changing resolution, ISO range, image processing, all in a comfortable, and energy efficiency of the DX flagship D500 in an enthusiast-level DSLR. Capture with phenomenal sharpness and tonality, especially in low-light situations like concerts, sporting events, parties and events. Improved buffer for shooting RAW. Capture 8 frames per second continuously, up to 100 JPEG fine frames, or up to 50 14-bit lossless compressed RAW frames. D7500DX camera uses the same 180,000 pixel RGB sensor as the D500 to detect human faces and improve AF performance during high-speed shooting. Lock onto fast subjects with 51 available focus points, 15 cross-type sensors and group area AF for sharper, faster detection in low light. Tilt the large 3.2-in touchscreen up or down to shoot at high or low angles and simply touch where you want focus when using live view. Capture approximately 950 shots on a single battery charge. The color rendition and exposure are so good. Number 2. Canon EOS 90D. The Canon EOS 90D DSLR has a 32.5-megapixel CMOS sensor's light capturing design that helps deliver clear, high-resolution images. It also enables fast continuous shooting and autofocus for once-in-a-lifetime moments. The AF system enables fast and precise focus even in unpredictable settings. You can look through the optical viewfinder with minimal glare or lag time to get your shot without losing a fast-moving subject. Two multi-controller buttons located on the back of the camera make it easy for you to locate and control customizable camera functions while looking through the optical viewfinder. Canon EOS 90D provides fast and accurate autofocus right as the moment happens. Eye detection AF even detects and focuses on your subject's eye for natural, expressive portraits and movies. The camera has an average-sized optical viewfinder and a fully articulating touchscreen LCD. It can shoot bursts at 10 fps through the viewfinder and 7 fps in live view, both with continuous autofocus. The 90D is weather-resistant, has headphones, a microphone, and USB-C ports. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The EOS 90D is a DSLR that functions most reliably when used in a live view. Number 1. Nikon D850. The Nikon D850 digital SLR uses the same field-proven ultra-accurate AF system as the flagship D5. With 153 focus points, 99 cross-type sensors, and a dedicated AF processor, the D850 delivers all of its 45.7 MP performance with Nikon lenses. Shoot in low light to -4 EV. The tilting touchscreen LCD screen makes it easy to get the shot, even from high or low angles. Its autofocus down to -4 EV lets you capture in low-light situations. For nailing the shot at a high-speed race or of a listers on the red carpet, you can try using the optional MBD18 battery pack and shoot full resolution up to 9 fps. The Nikon D850 is an amazing DSLR camera that is capable of shooting up to 45.7 megapixels at a high rate of speed, making it an ideal solution for high-end enthusiasts and professionals in every category. One of its best features is the backside illuminated full-frame image sensor. The technology of this sensor means that the light-collecting parts of the sensor are much closer to the surface of the chip than most other sensors. This equates to dramatically improved low-light performance and improved quality on the edges of your photos. No matter your situation, the D850 has the power, speed, and set of features to meet your needs for years to come.